Hello, hi, how are you? Welcome back, or welcome to Home by MFH. I've just had my first day of building, and then I've just had a guy here, drew it. I thought Stuart with a D, drew it, and work has started down here. So the door has come off, Jesus is now there, and then the pipe work was coming from the boiler in the kitchen into here. This is the first time I'm seeing this. I've very much kept to myself in the office today. It feels different, it feels cold actually, yeah. I have received some flooring samples. The floor that I've got in here at the moment is it's not great. So I have been online and I've been having a look. I was really amazed by some of the things that are out there in terms of visualizations. There are so many like apps and visualization things where you can see how a floor will look. And I have all these. I have quite a lot of parcels. Found the best prices, not affiliated at all with Luxury Flooring. This is these guys. Oh shit. Some great prices, so I thought let's just have a look at this. I have been into, there's a B&Q like up and round the corner. This is not interesting, but I'm going to give you some backstory. Was in B&Q and per square metre of about an 18mm thickness of a floor, so like good quality, was around about the £45 mark, whereas I found ones on here on sale for £30 per metre squared. So I'm excited. Hutton Camel Oak. Instantly, I think this is too light. Oh, this arrived yesterday, and I thought this was also maybe a little too light. Painswick Owl Oak. So this is the one which I was keen on their website, and this has got a lacquered finish. I don't know if I like that. That feels quite glossy to me. That was the one that was £29.99 per metre squared. Bronzed oak. They are fairly similar. Brimham, golden oak. And that's Brimham bronzed oak. Ugh, no. This one is really glossy. Berkeley twilight walnut. That, again, to me, is just a little too lacquered. Studley orchard oak. I'll do the classic though. I'll get these all out, put them on the floor, I'll take a picture, and I'll send to people on WhatsApp and say, what do you think of this floor? Oh, hello. Did I get 2 of these golden oak? But that's nicer. However, right, if something is lacquered, that means it's going to bounce the light, isn't it? I do quite like that. Okay, these are them in situ. No. 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 It's really quite hard to decide. I actually do quite like that golden, even with the lacquered finish. It's much nicer when it's down. So we'll see. I might have a look tonight. I've already started messaging. In the grand scheme of things, it's just a floor. It's got to be perfect, but it's just a floor. There was a lot of banging and bashing today, which I found very sad. Oh, the door's back on. Praise be. This flooring is sorted. He has continued to tidy this up. This is where the radiator will go back. You can see the floor actually that was under this. And this is the laminate that was down. He's done these timber straps which go onto the wall there. That's going to bring the wall out slightly, get some new insulation in and some new plasterboard. This looks like there's been quite a bit of movement today. Very good. Hi, that is day 3 done. Druitt, I still don't know if I'm saying his name right. I should just ask, is your name Druitt? Has just left. And we have the start of the plasterboard down. There you go. So he put beams on the walls, much like the corner there, and then has put the plasterboard on. And that's as low as the ceiling is going to come. See that rail? And you can see there too. And then rock wool, which is sound insulation, will go between that. But this feels like it is properly moving. Great. Hi, happy Monday. Day 4 has just been completed. So the main thing today is I have a new sort of ceiling, I have a new ceiling in. And that's the rock wool. insulation, sound insulation, right there. I've also signed my name onto the wall before that is plastered over. That is where we're at. Hi, day 5, Tuesday, done. You'll think I just sit in the dark. I only ever do this filming when Druitt's finished. I'm also very excited to get all this building work finished because I'm currently living in about the same 3 outfits and I just do nothing with myself, so I'm kind of falling apart. Today I received my underlay for the flooring. I have ordered the flooring, solid wood flooring, which I'm really excited about. It actually wasn't too expensive. And I ordered that accidentally along with the engineered wood. Ooh, okay. There we go. I've got the ceiling fully in. Oh, it's very bright. Ceiling is fully in, all the way across, with the rock wool in there. And then this has been brought out. You can see that it's been brought out slightly. They were asking today about what I wanted to do with this, to either get some of the wooden flooring I have to pull it out, but that's quite expensive, or a sort of MDF painted number. But it's looking good. It's looking very good, and it's neat. Like all the pipes. This is what I wanted. Let me show you. This, chasing all the pipes so that they are back into the floor. That then goes into my bedroom there, comes round, the radiator is out here. Poor Henry's really had a good going there. And then it goes in there. And the radiator will be on here. So this is going to be so much neater. It's already quieter. It's actually already quieter. I just really like the quiet. I'm kind of just like wanting to be sat there with a glass of red wine, chilling. Hi, day 6 done. You're a bit zoomed in. There you go. Builder just left. I have taken 5 days to work out his name. I knew it was Druid. I mean, I was kind of changing it. But I did Google Portuguese men's names that begin with D. And it was there. And he's just left and he said, thanks very much, Jason. So we've both been having issues. I didn't correct him. I think I'm going to style it out. Wow, oof, that is bright. This was a big, this was a big day in building. Let me show you. Spin. Look at that. Plastering. Plastered the ceiling. Plastered the walls. Down here too. So yeah, it's quite the change. I was actually saying that I quite like this sort of earthy colour. I mean, I don't think I'm going to go for it, but it's interesting, isn't it? Praise be. Supposedly, I should be able to start painting from Monday. The timeline of this is looking like this room will be finished by Christmas, I hope. And then my bedroom, which is bedroom there, should be started. And then this whole thing should be done by mid-January. I have also got, I've also got some new paint samples. I've got a B&Q up the road and I've got some Valspar paints. So I'm gonna have a little look and see what they look like. I'm still very much wedded to the idea of green in here. So I have blue jade and I've also got marble green. These I quite liked. I like that emerald blade was quite nice. The dark sort of green I find just a little too dark. Let's move Henry. Oh! Blue jade is, I should say this is silk. I'm not going for silk, but my B&Q run out of matte. This is almost like, I would say, like a sort of emerald tone. But I'm going to slap that on. Okay. Quite bright. I quite like that. Feels really rich. And then this one is marble green. This to me is more of like a green green. That's really quite nice. I think this is also silk. Yeah, but it will be matte when I get it done. Feels like good paint though, it feels thick. Right, come with me. So, you can see here, can I spin this? Am I gonna give myself an electric shock? No, fine. Okay, you can see there, the two new ones are the bottom ones. Marble green, which does have a gloss, we're not gonna go gloss. And then that one is slightly more green, blue jade. I think it'll be interesting to see during the day what these go like. Hi, happy Thursday, how are you? Druitt is off today, so it's very quiet. But the plaster is drying, or dried, I don't know. And my flooring arrives today. I went ahead and I picked a floor. The floor is over here. I kind of want to show you once I'm kind of started. So that'll be in the next video, sorry. Bit of a cliffhanger. The paints, I'm going to move this bit of floor actually. But the paints have, oh shit, is that my floor? 2 secs. Hello? Sure, okay, coming up. 2 secs. Oh, you will see that in the next one. I hope it's nice. I really do hope it's nice. Ooh! The paints from yesterday have dried. And I am really liking these. I do need your opinion. That is the marble green. That is the jade blue. That is, oh, I couldn't even tell you, even if I wanted to. That is Emerald Glade by Dulux there. So those are Valspar, get it right. Farrow and Ball. I enjoy this one a lot, this marble green. I think it's really, really nice. And I just think with the floor that I've gone with, it will look beautiful. Next week, this place will get the multi-finish, which is basically getting the room prepped for an actual paint so that it will be white, I think. And then I'm also going to get these guys to lay the floor. The floor is 18 millimeters. It's solid wood, which I'm really excited about. Solid wood, I got a deal on it, so I'm not some sort of baller. I very much got a deal on it. I got it in the sale and it's really nice. And the underlay will be perfect. And yeah, so yeah, thanks very much for watching. Have a great weekend whenever you're watching this. I'm really kind of in the flow. I'm really in the flow, but I'm really exhausted and I just want to sit and drink gin the whole time. Probably not what you're supposed to do when you're doing this. It's also a little bit condensation-y in here, so I've opened a window. Keep the tips, tricks, suggestions for things coming in. I know a lot of you that are watching this have your own homes and you've done similar projects to this, or you just have a really great creative eye. So anything, comment, let me know. Also, there is a Pinterest, which is Home by MFH. I have that. You can see kind of what I'm thinking. And I've also got the Instagram, which I'm still to kind of get going, but I'm doing stories, so you're having updates. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you're still new to this, you've not pressed subscribe, then hit subscribe. The button will be there. Also, more video suggestions there. And there'll be cards for the previous, I mean, it's only 2 videos. But yeah, thanks very much. Bye-bye.